Flamingos are a type of wading bird that are known for their distinctive pink coloration and long, slender legs. These elegant creatures are a sight to behold and are found in many parts of the world, including Africa, South America, and the Caribbean. One of the most notable features of flamingos is their bright pink feathers. This coloration is actually the result of the bird's diet, which is rich in carotenoid pigments found in algae and crustaceans. Flamingos are filter feeders and use their specially adapted beaks to strain water and mud for food. Flamingos are also known for their unique breeding habits. These birds typically form large colonies, with thousands of individuals gathering together to breed and raise their young. During the breeding season, male flamingos perform elaborate courtship displays to attract a mate. Once a pair has formed, they will work together to build a mud nest and take turns incubate their eggs. When the chicks hatch, they are covered in downy feathers and have a straight bill. However, as they grow, their bill gradually curves downward, allowing them to more effectively filter feed. Flamingo chicks are cared for by both parents and stay with their family for several months before joining a crush of other young birds. Despite their graceful appearance, flamingos are actually quite tough birds. They are able to withstand harsh conditions, such as extreme heat and drought, by standing on one leg to conserve body heat and minimize water loss. Flamingos are also capable of flying long distances and can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Flamingos are fascinating and beautiful creatures that have captured the hearts of people around the world. Whether you're watching them in the wild or admiring them in a zoo or aviary, these birds are sure to impress with their unique adaptations and striking appearance. Flamingos belong to the family Phoenicopteridae. The greater flamingo is the most widespread of these species and is found in Africa, southern Europe, and parts of Asia. The lesser flamingo, on the other hand, is found primarily in Africa and is the smallest of all the flamingo species. In addition to their striking pink feathers, flamingos are also known for their long, thin legs. These legs are perfectly adapted for wading in shallow water and can be used to stir up mud and silt to reveal food. The legs are also covered in scales that protect them from sharp objects and the rough terrain of their habitat. Flamingos are social birds and are often seen gathering in large flocks. These flocks can number in the thousands and serve as protection against predators. Flamingos also engage in a behavior called wing salute, where they stretch their wings out and upward to display their vivid colors and establish social status. Flamingos have captured the attention and imagination of people for centuries.